Hi guys, this is Keith and I'm from Zambia. So what you are seeing here, this is Stripe dashboard, and as you can see, here are some transactions that I've received, like people paying my stuff from my website. Okay, these are some of the payments. So I'm sure you might be having the question like, how do I have Stripe working here when I myself am from Zambia? Like, how is it? Well, yeah, of course, yes, Stripe is not available in Zambia, but it does not mean that you still cannot have Stripe. No, you can actually pay for Stripe at trust. Okay, it's a process where you open a business and a bank account in a country where Stripe is available and it's legal. But the thing is, it is expensive. Like you end up spending close to $1,000. But I've actually found a way. Okay, it's too legal, okay, but you don't have to spend all that money close to $1,000 for you to have Stripe. So in case that one person who needs Stripe badly, you can actually contact me and I'll be able to help you. So as for me, I am charging a fee, but it's really affordable compared to what these other providers, how much they would charge you. So a lot of them are going to charge you above $300. Okay, usually it's going to be $500 or $800 and so on. But as for me, I'm only going to charge you half of $500, which is $250, to help you set up everything, and everything is going to be in your details, everything is going to be authentic, everything is legal, no shortcuts, okay, nothing, everything is going to be working okay, and you'll be able to receive the money, and it's perfect and it's working just okay for me. Yeah, so I've been using Stripe now for I think 3 months now, so far it's just working okay. Yeah, so my number, so remember, just simply leave me a message on WhatsApp. My contact details are in the description, or simply WhatsApp me on this number 09 0977, okay, 77 0202, okay, or simply take a screenshot right now and you can save the number later. So bye for now, this is Keith.